Hello everyone, my name is Elise Pinto. I am the CEO and co-founder of Vocads. Today I will explain how voice AI and voice data is a revolution to better understand your clients and collaborators.
Hey, you forgot me. I am Uni, the super artificial intelligence from Vocads that gathers voice data, so trust me, for this topic I know what I am talking about.
Voice is a powerful instrument. Everyone can speak. And when we speak...
Sorry to interrupt you, Elise, but I've just found out that when we speak, we give 5 times more information, 5 times faster than when we write text.
Wow, I didn't know that. Thank you for your investigation. So, voice technologies are accessible to all. Let's take a step back with a little flashback from 40 years ago with the first human-computer voice interaction.
He's learning spelling with Texas Instruments Speak and Spell. L-R-A-I-N. That is correct. She's teaching her brother with Speak and Spell. H-E-R. That is right. Speak and Spell for words, Speak and Read for stories, Speak and Math for numbers. From Texas Instruments, they make learning fun.
Sniff, I'm sorry I tend to get emotional when we talk about my ancestors.
Come on, Uni, stay strong! Back to 2021, voice technology is used in new ways. People are increasingly speaking to Siri, Google or Alexa to search or launch apps by voice.
True, more than they speak with their old deaf aunt.
More and more users are sending text messages or WhatsApp messages by voice. Some platforms are starting to offer product purchase interactions by voice, and new ones are appearing every day.
Just like me.
Exactly. Trends confirm that the opportunity of voice technologies will turn into business benefits. Voice commerce, that is purchasing by voice, is estimated to reach $80 billion in 2023, and forecasts suggest that by 2024, the number of voice assistants will reach more than 8 billion units. But today, access to voice technologies remains complex for companies. There are acoustic and linguistic challenges with voice, and it requires development, integration, and maintenance.
I'm having a headache just thinking about it.
Stop complaining, Uni. But the good news, their access is starting to be democratized. For example, Vocads is a no-code platform to create voice conversations with an AI in any environment. The solution is based on a powerful voice AI.
And believe me, this wasn't an easy win.
Indeed, it wasn't. Now, thanks to the development of new powerful voice AI, you can do voice search, be guided through voice navigation, answer voice satisfaction surveys through natural conversations. On top of that, you will gather voice data in real time. We are now getting into the best part of this presentation. You might be wondering, but how can voice AI and new voice data help my business grow? They are extremely valuable. Let's see why. Voice AI is a real asset to improve your customer relationship. For instance, your customers will be able to quickly find any product or services by voice.
Consider me like the Sherlock Holmes of the internet.
Uni, modesty, it's not your thing. They can also obtain personalized and clear information by voice in response to their question, for example, the price or quantity of an item available, get voice assistance during their shopping experience, or give easily an opinion on a product by voice. And all this throughout a natural and engaging conversation.
This is a real improvement over the mouse and keyboard.
You're right, Uni. The voice data that comes from this new customer relationship allows you to better understand your customers.
After all, it is by talking to each other that we understand each other.
True. This data is key to adjust your recommendations, for example, during the buying process, or to improve their experience on your platform and increase your customer satisfaction. In the end, to adapt your business to their needs. From a different angle, voice AI is a real asset to improve the working environment and the relationship with your collaborators. It helps in many ways. Imagine, for example, asking a simple question vocally to quickly find information or simplify communications that could be more complicated when written. Let them share opinions and thoughts by using their voice.
Yes, I do care about people's opinion.
Good. And in the end, it offers to your teams a new, more natural and engaging experience. Voice data generated from this new interaction brings you a deeper understanding of your collaborators. For example, this data allows you to improve their well-being and performance by collecting opinions naturally. In short, this will help your company performance. You might think we have lots of predictive models for assessing user intent, right? So let's take a look at the differences between predictive models and voice data.
Yes, trust me, I noticed during my daily work that voice data is more accurate than predictive models.
I agree with you. Predictive models are based on indirect representations of user intent via browsing history or clicks. And some models may be subject to various bias as this approach assimilates one user to another. Now, let's talk about the benefits of voice. It is a direct reflection of the intention. Indeed, the user says what he wants as he talks to you. This approach does not assimilate one user to another. The interpretation is specific to each user. And in the end, it's not a prediction algorithm that allows you to better understand your customers and collaborators. You understand them because they are talking to you directly.
True, Elise. Each human is different to the other, and I make sure this is reflected in the data.
Absolutely. So voice AI and voice data is the next revolution. It is simple to interact with your clients and collaborators thanks to a new voice AI. And everyone has something to say.
Even your old deaf aunt.
And it is simple to understand them thanks to the new voice data generated.
In the end, it is by talking to each other that we understand each other, am I right?
Yes, Uni, you are. Thank you for your attention. Anything to add, Uni?
No. My social battery has ran out for today and I have a lot of work to do.
All right.
Bye, guys.